Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add Discord music bot to your server. So first, open Discord. If you have the app installed on your desktop, just click on its icon purple with a white controller in it. If you don't have the app, open the Discord website, discordapp.com, and log in into your server. Now, log into a server where you have permissions. Most music bots require permission to be incorporated into your Discord server. So make sure to log into a server that gives you the option of granting permissions. Open your browser and go to a music bot website. If you don't know any sites, you can go to discordbots.org/tag/music and browse for a music bot that appeals to you. Select Add to Discord. Most bot pages should have this button displayed next to the bot's name. Select the server for your music bot. Pick the server where you have permissions, since this will make configuring the bot easier. Now, select Authorize. This should direct you to a CAPTCHA page where you'll need to fill in a form to prove you're human. Once you've done, your bot will be installed in your Discord server. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.